How to do bicycle crunches. Your complete guide. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Introduction. Bicycle crunches are a fantastic exercise that targets multiple muscle groups in your core simultaneously. They're known for their effectiveness in building abdominal strength and definition. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, mastering the bicycle crunch can take your workout routine to the next level. Step-by-step guide. Starting position. Lie flat on your back with your hands placed lightly behind your head. Lift your legs off the ground, bending your knees at a 90-degree angle. Crunching motion. Lift your head, neck, and shoulders off the ground gently. This engages your upper abs. Twisting motion. As you bring your right elbow towards your left knee, extend your right leg out straight. Simultaneously, twist your torso to bring your left elbow towards your right knee. This twisting motion engages your obliques. Breathing. Exhale as you crunch and twist. Inhale as you return to the starting position. Focus on controlled, steady movements to maximize effectiveness and reduce strain. Repetition and sets. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions per side to start, gradually increasing as your core strength improves. Complete 2 to 3 sets with a brief rest in between. Tips for success. Maintain a steady pace throughout the exercise to ensure proper form and maximize muscle engagement. Avoid pulling on your neck with your hands. Instead, use them for light support. Engage your core muscles throughout the entire range of motion for optimal results. Variations. Once you've mastered the basic bicycle crunch, consider adding variations like weighted bicycle crunch, hold a light dumbbell or medicine ball to increase resistance, slow bicycle crunch, perform the movement slowly and deliberately to intensify the burn, reverse bicycle crunch. Start with your legs straight and bring your knees towards your chest in a reverse motion. Benefits. Bicycle crunches not only strengthen your core, but also help improve balance, stability, and posture. They can be done virtually anywhere, making them a convenient addition to any workout routine.